Good evening, class. Today we are going to discuss about consumer behavior and marketing strategy. Before knowing the concept, let me understand why consumer behavior is important. Does it add any value or create any value to the management? In order to understand this concept, let's take an example of a case study. Let's take an example of a case study of a hotel industry. There is an Indian hotel. This hotel is very busy with its customer before 10 years, but in the current scenario, the hotel is not performing well. The sales are also low. So, in return, the customer used to give negative comments, also negative feedback. The management approached the consultation team and asked the consultation team to identify the root cause. After overall observation, the consultation team also given some suggestion regarding that improvise the training skills for a staff and improvise the technical skills regarding the staff and management. Those kind of general suggestion they given. But here the main thing is that the consultation did not bother about the consumer point of view, because for everything, for every business, the consumer thinking is the crux of entire business. The moment which I think how the consumers are thinking, then my job is done. My job is very simple. But here the consultation team is not considering about consumer behavior. The main thing is that marketing cannot be understood without knowing the behavior of the consumer. So here the consultation team got the previous videos, and after that previous video, the main observations are in initial days, when the customer used enter into the hotel, he used to check the menu and he used to order, and after that having his food, he used to make the payments. Here the average time taken by the customer is only 1 hour 5 minutes. But in the current scenario, while entering into the hotel, the customer used to have his mobile phone and he used to be busy with that mobile only. The waiter used to wait, the bearer used to wait for his order. After taking his order, he used to take selfies with the food and whatever in order to upload on social networks. Then after making payments, the average time taken by the customer is 1 hour 50 minutes. So, so from this from the observations, the consultation team revealed that the skills and motivation of the employees are highly appreciated. Like there is no point and there is no mistake from management side and staff side. Those are completely highly skilled and highly talented. But the thing is that the management should study the behavior of the current customer, because in the current customers does not know how they are behaving, how their actions are. Their actions are completely involuntary actions. So the customers behavior should be taken by the management. The management should consider the customer behavior. Then only they can overcome the problems and they can fulfill the needs and desires of the customers. So this is the general concept. This is a case study. Later on, we are going to see the real concept from textbook. This is the concept. These are the models from the textbook where we are going to discuss further. And guys, this is my first video. This is my first video, and please tell me whether you are feeling comfortable if regarding like audio and video. And if any complaints, you please send me personally, or in group also you can send me, because this is my first video. Due to some constraints, I'm taking in virtual mode. So please let me know if any problem you arise. Thank you.